2023 Dodge Hornet cap filter removal. It's going to be located behind your glove box. We're going to have to remove the glove box, the whole door and everything. It's held in with some T25 Torxes. There's one here, one here, one here. Close the glove box. Go underneath, pull this cover down. There's one here. And on the other side, there's one here. So we have those screws out. Now we can grab the glove box, pull it towards us, and it will unclip. And you have to go over here on the side and remove this panel right here. Okay, just get yourself a flathead screwdriver and pop it open. And there's going to be one more Torx right here. Have that one out. Should come down like that. We're going to disconnect this light here, flip on the clip. We need to remove this bar right here, okay? We got some more Torx holding it on. We have a hex also right here. As far as the hex bit right here, I end up using a T30 to loosen it up. I have this set of Torxes on me. I don't have any hexes on me, so that's why I had to use that. Now we're gonna remove this Phillips screw that's right here, and then we'll be able to take this door off. Okay, we got the screw out now, and then I'm gonna pull up. There's a little clip back here on this side. We're going to pull towards us. And that will unlock it. You can just pull it right off. Here's our cabin filter here. Notate where it says airflow. That's going to be down. And we just pull out the cabin filter, okay? If you need one, check down in the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. And just go in the reverse order as you took everything apart. Put it all back together.